that is beautiful. I don't know if you're able to see, but that is a beautiful BMW. Is it trash? Yes, a bit, but it's fun. This is not the content that I meant. But still, will I post it? Questionable. What the fuck? Hey. What the fuck is this guy? Oh. മോനെ വീട്ടിൽ പോയിട്ട് വളഞ്ഞിട്ടിട്ടാ പോരായിരുന്നു. So that is beautiful. I don't know if you're able to see, but that is a beautiful BMW. Should I wait? अरे यार पीछे एम्बुलेंस आ रहा है. Fuck. Look at the fuck. It looks like a fucking Viper. Beautiful Viper, green colored. Oh shit, ambulance. Look at the beauty, man. Oh. Hey. Can we make it? Of course we can. എൻ്റെ പൊന്നിയായിട്ട് ആ മിറർ ഒന്ന് ശരിയാക്കും. സ്വന്തം കയ്യിൻ്റെ സൗന്ദര്യം നോക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണോ വെച്ചേക്കുന്നത്? ചേട്ടാ വെയിറ്റ്. It was nice. A nice little run. like the way the Swift is moving, but is it rush? Yes, a bit, but it's fun. As long as we're not hitting anybody, as long as we're not disrupting anything, it's completely fine. Ale. Oh, fucking pocket rocket. Arey, idu povilla. I have been. Some daring people might commit, but I don't want to fuck up their days, the Swift and the Tiago guy. So I won't. I love you, baby. Na, 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 na. Esteem? Honda? No, Suzuki? What the f? I don't hear him. Ah. Uncle, this is not the content that I meant. But still, will I post it? Questionable.